I got two EM Audio 12s on a Tesla 4K.
Okay.
EM Audio Pro 6.5s in the doors.
Okay.
And 80 amp hour lithium 8 power.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Oh yeah? Could you tell me real quick what's in here and your name?
I got two EM Audio 12s on a Tesla 4K.
Okay.
EM Audio Pro 6.5s in the doors.
Okay.
And 80 amp hour lithium 8 power.
What are these subs rated at?
3500 RMS.
Okay.
Slightly underpowered.
Is that a 10-inch port? 8-inch.
8-inch.
8-inch. What is it tuned to?
35.
35. Did you ever get a burnt meter score yet?
Yeah, I did a 145.3 yesterday. Sealed on the dash.
Nice, sealed. Okay. All right. What happened to the sub on the right with the
I
layer?
accidentally stabbed it, and it just started tearing from there.
Yep. You gotta patch it?
Yeah.
It still works. Yep.
Hey, she's getting reconed. They're both getting reconed here soon.
Okay. Can I see, is there anything in the back besides the box?
Not really, just the box.
Okay, don't worry about it. Awesome. Appreciate the demo.
Everything's basically behind this seat here.
Okay. Nice. Thank you for the demo. All right. Right here.
Just take you somewhere secret, gonna cut out of the lifestyle. Not just out for yourself.
and it just started tearing from there.
Yep. You gotta patch it?
Yeah.
It still works. Yep.
Hey, she's getting reconed. They're both getting reconed here soon.
Okay.
Just take you somewhere secret. Gonna cut all of the lights down. Never get talk about your boy. You gonna just go with what we feel. Let's share all. You private thoughts from the chest. Out for your sex. Let me simplify the things that like that. Right on.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.